Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Google Chrome browser, and in this video I will show you how to translate any website in your Chrome browser without any stress. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Chrome browser. Then you have to make sure you come down below right here, click on Customize Chrome. Then after click on Customize Chrome, scroll down right here until you get to 2. Click on 2. Next thing you want to do is scroll down right here and then make sure you look for Translate right here. So you have Translate right here. Make sure you turn on this. Once you turn it on, then you can see the translation icon from the top right here. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on here to close this tab. Now we want to use an example website for that, so I'm going to come to the address bar right here, and I'll make sure I visit this particular website right here. You can see this website here was written in Japan. I'll hit enter key on my keyboard right away, and the site is going to load up right here. So you can see the site is in Japanese, and then we have a different language right here. So right here, if I scroll down all the way down, if I click on anything from this website, everything here was written in Japanese. So how do you use Google Translate to change the whole website page to whatever language of your choice? Go ahead and click on these 3 dots right here. The next thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and click on choose another language. The next thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and click on here. Now you have so many other languages right here. Let's say, for instance, I want to translate this web page to English. Go ahead and select English. Go ahead and click on Translate right here. And in a few seconds, everything on the web page right here is totally translated into English now. So whatever you click on here is going to give you. Like for instance, this particular one right here, so if I click on it, and we have it right here, so you can see automatically everything will be translated into language. It's that simple. So you can go on and change to different kind of language of choice. Let's say, for instance, I want to switch from English language to another language. So I have to make sure I come to the Google Translate right here. So I'm going to click on Google Translate right here. I'll click on these 3 dots right here. Then I'll go ahead and click on choose another language right here. Then I'll click on here. So this time around, I can decide to change to Bangla. So click on Bangla, hit on translate, and in a few seconds, everything here has been fully translated into Bangla. Just by courtesy right here. So if I go back to the home page, you'll find out that everything here is still in Japanese language. So we can come back to our translate right here. So from Japanese to Bangla, just like so, everything fully translate right here. You can go on and translate any web page with Chrome browser inbuilt translator. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you